look at this sensor. It's not reading properly when I'm almost empty of fuel. So I'm going to pull it out of here. Alright, go. Alright, let's get that out of the way. The electrical leads. Kind of dirty, but let's see if I can undo this. I don't really have the right tool for it, and I don't want to hurt it. Alright, obviously I need to clean that. Alright, so what do you think? No. Hey, it moves now. Wow. Whoops. Time to clean that. Wow. So I've got some tank cleaning to do. Oh yeah, look at that. Here's my fuel level sender. Look at this thing. Pretty bad, huh? I mean, just completely coated with, totally varnished. Look at that. Look at the stuff on the. Look at all that. Those come right off. And it moves easier now that I've been moving it around, but once I clean this off, that thing's just jumped down. See, it doesn't really want to now. It's doing it now. Alright, let me go clean this. Bring it back. Unfortunately, this thing is not available on Partzilla. So, I might be able to find it on Craigslist, but I'm going to see if I can repair it. It's not working well. Oops, let me get my... It's not working well. Or it's really, basically it's not working. This needs to be... This is a spring contact. I need to clean it and increase the tension on it. This is a spring contact as well. The tension's pretty good on it, but I want to clean the bottom of it better, so I want to take it off of there. And this connection is just way too weak and it's too dirty. It's not getting a good connection, so I've got to take it apart. I've had to alter this a little because they flattened it, squeezed it, so that it makes it not want to come out. But I can redo that myself. I need to pull this stem out, this guy, undo this screw enough, pull that out, and then I can clean all that area, make the contact surfaces nice and clean, put some pressure on this, you know, open up, spring it, and put her back together. Let's see what happens. Alright, so that's moving. Let's see if I can... I don't know what else would be keeping it. Might be up in here. Oh, let's see. I get what I need to do. There we go. Ah, that's the ticket. So I got to clean this shaft. Gotta clean that guy. Gotta clean that. See, look at all that. Contacts in there. See, look at all that. Since the availability is quite low for this, I can probably find it on Craigslist or eBay. But well, right now it seems to be working. Actually, I need to clean up a little more on the head there. But the resistor works. Right there I do get full tank. Right there I do have empty. You can adjust it, so I have adjusted it. So you've got to stop right here for full high, you got for empty for full. So got to clean this gasket. I did clean this cover. This cover goes on there, which I am going to do right now. Let's see how hard it is to put this cover on. All the way down. Whoops. Okay. There we go. That looks about right. Gotta bend that over. There we go. See that little tab there? Now I have a little tab right here as well. And one last one, the third and last. There we go. Low, full, empty, full. This thing is ready to go back in. It's as clean as it's going to get. It's functioning as good as it's going to. Clean the got the gasket all good.